Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies in Safari on your Mac. This is really useful if websites aren't loading properly or if you just want to improve your browser's performance. Let's get started. First, open Safari. Then click on Safari in the top menu and select Settings. Now go to the Advanced tab. At the bottom, enable the option Show Features for Web Developers. Once you turn that on, you'll see a new Develop menu appear at the top of your screen. Click on Develop, then select Empty Caches. And just like that, your Safari cache is cleared. Now let's clear cookies. Go back to Safari, then click Settings again. This time, open the Privacy tab. Click on Manage Website Data. Then click Remove All, and confirm by clicking Remove. Finally, click Done. And that's it. Your cache and cookies are now cleared in Safari. This can help fix loading issues and give you a fresh browsing experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.